Gang, and we back with another video. This your boy Silk Living, and welcome back to the playlist, Living Tactical.
Living Studio.
Living.
How y'all doing, gang? So I told y'all, if you have been watching my Instagram, watching my Facebook, you saw that snippet. I'm doing new builds. We trying to do a Glock 26. We trying to do a 300 blackout. Still got a few Tauruses to do. And we have Zpap 85, which I was calling it Zastava. But in the gun community, it is not a Draco. It is in the Draco family. It is called a Zpap 85. The Zpap 85. Pronounced Zastava. So today we have the Zastava Zpap 85. If you've seen this firearm, and I think I did a review on this firearm a while back, and a future of my other videos. I know y'all have seen that. Make sure you get that up there. Boom, boom, boom. Get them. All right, make sure we got that in all the camera angles. All right, so you've seen this firearm before. I took it to the range. I shot it with a couple friends of mine. One of my most favorite firearms to shoot by far. I love it. It's amazing. What I will say is she has a hell of a kickback. So what we're going to do today is we're going to add a brace to it, and hopefully that solves a lot of our problems as far as when we're shooting it. But y'all know we got to do a safety check, right? Got to make sure this is clear. So for this video, I've already removed the bullets out of here, but for the video, we're going to do a safety check together just in case you have yours. You want to hit this button right here. It's like a little lever. See, you can see it. Make sure y'all see that. It's a little lever right here. See that right there? What you want to do, real easy. You want to grab it with your thumb and you want to press up. And this magazine will come right on out, okay? So you're going to press up on the side. We're going to press up and this magazine will pop right on out. Just like that. See that? I'll do it again. All right, so what you want to do is you want to press up, grab the magazine, go straight up. Press this up towards the magazine and lift, and it should just come right on out. See that's empty? All right. Now I'm going to flip it around for you. This right here is the charging handle. I'm going to pull that straight down in the safe direction. I'm going to turn this way just so you can see. But she's completely empty. See, there's nothing in there. All right, done. All right. So let's put it back in safety. For the most part, what we'll be doing today, we will be adding a brace. And then later on, future builds, just to let you know, I will definitely be putting the optic on the top. And we will be changing this wood right here. Taking this off and putting a better rail, style rail. To add like a laser-like combination. But today, we working with that ass in, baby. So we're gonna, I believe it's an Allen key, just to take this back off, and then we'll be adding a nice brace on the back. It's a pistol brace. Now, I won't be adding a stock or nothing like that. I want to keep it right. No problems. So today, what we have is a pistol brace. And this is by Pistol Stabilizing Brace is SB Tactical. This is TF 1913. And see for yourself, it actually goes for this firearm. Exactly. And you can even buy this same brace for if you're doing another pistol build, or if you want to add it to your AR pistol. Perfect for that. Perfect for that. I even have this, not this one, but I have one similar to this on my MCK. All right, so you know you get your books. Boom, boom, boom. And you know you get your sticker. Slap it somewhere. All right. So let's get right into it. Let's open her up. Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. Y'all feeling that? I'm feeling that. That looks nice. Make sure all the cameras can see it. That is nice. Nice. And this is supposed to be really, really simple. This will probably be the most simplest build install I've done for a build. All right. And what did they provide me with? An Allen key. Perfect. All right. So I'm gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna get into this brace, and I'm gonna show you how to install it, and then we'll jump back on. All right, bear with me. All right, gang. So this is real simple. See that? See that? You're gonna take this Allen key, and you're just gonna twist it off. I already started twisting it. You're gonna take this Allen key. I'll make sure y'all can see that. Make sure I'm in view. It's kind of like putting on a Picatinny rail, or putting something on a Picatinny rail. Boom. So it slid off. You just need that piece to slide off. And then I'm just gonna attach it on her. And that's it. And we should be in there like butter. Boom. So I'm gonna get that to the camera so y'all can see it. So here we go. See it right here? I'm gonna slide right there in that centerpiece. See what this line is? Show you. See that line? That's gonna go right in that centerpiece. So on camera, if I can get it, let me turn it around. I want to put it on backwards. Can you guys see that? Turn it this way. Boom. So she's gonna go right in like that. Bam. Alright. So it's gonna go right in. And I'm gonna hold it. I'm going to attach the other little piece right on. Like so. And then I'm just gonna tighten it. Trying to make sure y'all can see it. You probably can't. But I'll show you in 1 second. Cause I gotta hold this on. I don't want it to fall out. You know, I probably could just turn it like this. And that way I know you can see it. So, I wanna get it right in the hole. Like that. Put this down like that. Tighten it up. Just tighten it up. Slide that all back in there. And it's gonna pull it tight by itself. And I'm just gonna torque it, not tight enough. You don't want to strip it, okay? Okay. And it's on. Just like that. Yeah, baby. Ain't gonna have no problems out of it now. Cause I'm telling you, when we went to the range, bro, it was so much recoil. Oh, I didn't know what to do. So as you can see, you just want to tighten it up. We'll go back again, hit it one more time with the strength. Not too much, but just enough that I know she ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? And I think that's gorgeous. I'll tell you what y'all think. Come back a little bit. Look at that. That is definitely That's definitely gorgeous. Yeah. I'm feeling that, baby. Yeah. Let me see if I can get this other part to collapse like it's supposed to. I think this is I could be wrong. It looks like it does collapse. Like it's a foldable stop. Maybe it do, or maybe it don't. Let me see, let me check that out. Is it? I believe it is. I believe this bad boy can fold. Strap steel. With a folding hinge. It does have a folding hinge on it. But, this is all correct, she's not turning. We're going to get back to the video. We're going to figure that out. Alright, gang. So, your boy had to go to the instructions. You feel me? I had to go to the instructions to figure this out. And you know what? I still couldn't figure it out. I had to go to a whole nother video to figure it out. Alright. So now that I know how this works, I can show you. Okay. Peep game, alright? Because I didn't understand it. You gotta put your thumb right here. You feel me? And then you gotta push up. And I know that might sound crazy. Like, you gotta do what? You gotta put your thumb here. And this piece comes up. Right here. Comes up. So you put your thumb. And I can honestly say, it's gonna take me a while to get used to it or work it in. There we go. See, I couldn't even, I had to put it on the, there we go. So, boom. So I'm gonna try to do it in the air. It's gonna be kind of hard. So you gotta put your thumb, maybe if I set it down, you gotta put your thumb right here. Push up. So grab it. That's funny, I can't never do it on this desk. I can do it if I put it on my thigh. Easy. So you put your thumb and you press up, and then now you got a folded brace. And then it looks like that. Which is hard. I think it's dope. They do have other ones that have like a button. I would definitely search for that. I think once you do this a few times, because it doesn't just open back up, which is a good thing, it's not flimsy. But you would have to push up again. Just heard it pop. There we go. See how I'm saying? You do it a few times. So I'm gonna do it all again, because I know somebody will watch the video like, he did what? What I did was, I used my thigh, it was easy for me. But you take your hand, grip it under the bottom, put your thumb here, you're gonna pull up. This little piece right here is gonna go up. And then, there we go. You hear it? Hear that? You can even see it. There you go. And then it's supposed to, boom, fold. It's not the easiest thing. I think once you do it a few times, it'll be a lot easier for you. But I still like it. I think it's dope. I think it's great. That's the only hardest part. Other than that, man, this is out of a 10. This is like a 2, because if you ain't got an Allen wrench, but I believe they give you one. It comes with one, so you know, it was definitely in my bag. You know, I've heard of people buying stuff and everything wasn't together, but this is definitely book bag ready. This is definitely throw it in the closet. Because of the folding brace, makes it a lot better. With the folding brace, man, or just the brace period, really helps with the recoil because she kicks. You know, so like I told you guys, this was gonna come back to the channel, and I'm glad it's back, as well as I have a lot more things to install. Like I said, we're doing an optic on the front. We're doing, hopefully we're doing a magazine change, because I'm not feeling that. And we're definitely going to change that right there, because I want to add some things to it, as well as maybe a muzzle brake or something. I don't know. I can't give it all away. But this is the Zpap 85 Zastava. Not Zastava, Zastava. People call this Dracos in the hood. This is not a Draco. But this is, you know, the Century Arms version of what the Draco, our Draco would be. Me personally, I don't like the Draco. I do like the Zpap 85 and the Zpap 92. So, this is just a quick video. I appreciate your time. I am your boy Silk Living. This is Living Tactical. Make sure you scroll all the way through, check out my videos, all my builds. Practice being safe. Remember, before you start playing with your gun, first thing you want to do is remove that magazine, and then you want to rack it a few times, get that bullet out if you're carrying like that, which majority of us do, but until you feel comfortable. Then you ready to play with it, do what you're going to do. Always point in the safe direction, and don't draw your firearm unless you're going to use it. I'll see you guys in another video, and make sure you check out my entrepreneur stuff, man. I got a lot going on. I know those views don't get hit like that, but that is the bulk of how I make these things happen. Also, make sure you do not skip those ads. I really appreciate it. That little bit of change helps me go out and purchase new products, as well as contact others to get new things in for these builds. So I really appreciate that. I might start a Patreon. We'll see. But until then, please don't skip those ads. It definitely helps the channel, man. It definitely goes a long way for me to go out and get more things and do this. If you're feeling my camera setup, let me know. I'll keep it going. If you can't hear me, if the volume's not good, I'll adjust my equipment. I'll change things. So I think that's about it, man. If you have one of these, holla at me. Also, for my tourist people, I'm still going to be doing tourist builds. I know I'm going to different platforms, different brands. I'm still going to be doing that. But I also want to do a video where you guys show me what you got, and we'll vote on that. And I would like to give something away for free on your boy. So you got to be 18 over. I'll figure out how we're going to do that. You know, maybe you guys can Instagram me or email me a little short video of your firearm. You can talk about it real quick, what you did, you know, how you feeling about it, from the PT111 all the way to the Toro. Okay, we're just gonna stick with the G2s, the G3s, G2C. I'm not finna go on anything else the Taurus does, but just considerably on the guns that I've already built or the ones that you've seen on this channel. All right, guys, it's enough rambling. I'll see you on another one. Also, remember to take care of yourself, man. Okay, it's a lot of crazy shit going on. It's a lot of mass murders. There's a lot of people doing a lot of weird things. If you can carry, please carry. I don't want nothing to happen to nobody. At least try to protect you and your family. I'll see you on another one. I am Silk Living. Love you guys and be safe. Peace.